Hello and welcome to this video training. In this one, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 steps that you can use to create and sell your first ebook. If you are very much interested in making money from selling ebooks, this is the video you should watch. And we're talking about using your smartphone, not your laptop, just in case you don't have a laptop. You can use your smartphone to make a lot of money from ebooks. Okay, so my name is Alajimam Isioto, and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how you can implement stuffs that can help you to make money. So if this is your first time of getting on this channel, I want you to do me a favor by subscribing. Hit the like button, subscribe, and when you subscribe, just make sure that you hit the notification bell that is by the side, so that when I put out new videos or more videos, you will be notified. And also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. If you are on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter with the name that you see below and close to the Twitter logo. All right, let's go in. So what's the first thing to do? What's the first thing to do when you want to start selling? Okay, what's the first thing we want to start selling ebooks? The first thing to do is for you to pick a niche. Okay, you have to first pick a niche. Now, niche selection is important because you don't want to do ebook in all the areas. No, it's like you're a doctor, you're specialized in a particular thing, so you have to actually pick your niche. All right, you need to pick your niche. Find an area that you want to specialize in. Okay, do you want to talk about sex and relationship? Do you want to talk about travels? Do you want to talk about food, real estate, growing businesses, making money online, parenting, fitness, wellness and fitness? You have to pick one niche. Okay, that is that. So when you pick your niche, now you know what you want to do. Now the next thing to do is to do a research. What does research means? You have to find out what is the problem in that niche. Let's say, for example, I am picking, I want to help. I discover that in the music industry, a lot of young musicians, a lot of young artists want to promote their music, and it's a challenge. So I can decide to create an ebook, okay, in that area. But before I create an ebook, I have to find out, I have to make my research to find out what is the exact problem that people who want to promote their music are facing. So I'm going to go into my Facebook, I'm going to go into my WhatsApp, I'm going to go into Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to find out, where are these people? What's happening? What are they talking about? What's their pain point? What is the thing that they will have that can change their music life, right? So I'm going to do all of those research to find out all of that. Now, after your research, the next thing to do is to go ahead and create the ebook. How do you create the ebook? You type it, okay? You type the ebook. So once you type the ebook, you turn it into a PDF, because PDF allows you to be able to read on your smartphone. Okay, you can type on your smartphone using Google Docs or using Word app. Okay, so once you type all of that, you edit it properly. Once you have edited it properly, you package it as an ebook, and then you make sure that you host it on your Google Drive. All right, you host it on your Google Drive, and once it's hosted on your Google Drive, the next thing is for you to make it, make it downloadable. Make it downloadable by creating a link. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, I'm gonna just watch to the end. Okay, watch to the end. Now, after creating your ebook, the next thing to do is to design a funnel. Design a funnel. Funnel design is a very powerful skill. Is a high income skill that can turn your business around. A lot of people just design ebooks and they are struggling to sell. Why? because they don't have a funnel. So what's a funnel? A funnel is just a system that you put in place so that you can attract people to your business. You can attract people to your ebook, to buy your ebook. All right. So you need to understand how to design a funnel. Okay. Now your funnel design will include things like your landing page, your ad copies, your sales page copy, and all of that. What you're going to say, your links, creating of your links that you can use to pull people in. Okay. Design of your covers and all of that, hosting it on the platform where you need to, where people can come and buy, setting your price, that's all of that, setting your payment gateway, how do people pay for the product. This is what a funnel is all about. When they don't pay for it, how do you get back to them? How do you follow up on them? So this is what a funnel is all about. If you want to learn how this works, go to the comment section and just type, I want to learn how to create a funnel. Okay. Now the next thing, after you have created your funnel, the next thing to do is to promote. If you have a product and you don't promote it, it's as good as nothing. So you have to learn how to promote your product. You have to promote it. You have to do it aggressively, and you have to do it consistently. That is how you can make sales. That's how you can sell your first ebook. Okay. So this is very possible. How do you promote? You can promote organically or through paid method. Organic method means that you're promoting using free platforms like Facebook, like LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and all of that. The paid method is you running ads using these channels. Okay. So this is how you can do it. Once you start promoting, if you put a good price for your product, you can make a lot of money from that. Just one ebook, you can make a lot of money from that. So this is all that you need to do to start making money from your first ebook using your smartphone. All right. I believe that you got a lot of value from this. I believe you have learned something new. So if you have learned something from this, kindly do me that favor to like this video and comment. If you have questions for me, just go to the comment section and drop a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe. All right. I'll see you now. Before I leave, if you are very much interested in creating your ebook and making money from this, I have created a small report. All right. You just get it for a token. So just go to my link in the bio. All right. Go to the description section. Go there. I have dropped a link there for you. So that link is going to take you to where once you click on it, it will take you to where you are going to get the reports that I've created for you on how to do this. Okay. I really talked about how you can do this in that report. So do yourself a favor, go to the description section, and just click on the link. Then you will be able to get my report. Thank you guys for sticking around to this point. I'm going to see you in another video. Enjoy.